The socket switch protector represents a significant stride in the realm of electrical safety for both residential and commercial spaces. As the demands for safety and convenience continue to grow, innovative solutions like this gadget emerge to address potential hazards associated with electrical outlets and switches. This comprehensive product is meticulously designed to provide a multifaceted approach to safety, incorporating features that cater to childproofing, fire prevention, ease of installation, durability, and more. At its core, the socket switch protector is a compact yet robust device engineered to seamlessly integrate with standard electrical sockets and switches. One of its standout features is its childproof design. In households with young children, the risk of accidents related to electrical outlets is a prevalent concern. The protector comes equipped with a locking mechanism that prevents children from inserting objects into the sockets or toggling the switches. This not only safeguards the well-being of the children, but also offers peace of mind to parents and caregivers. The significance of fire prevention cannot be overstated when it comes to electrical safety. The socket switch protector is constructed from fire-resistant materials, acting as a crucial barrier against potential electrical fires resulting from short circuits or faulty wiring. This proactive approach to fire safety enhances the overall protection of the living or working space, mitigating risks and providing an additional layer of security. Installation of the socket switch protector is designed to be user-friendly and efficient. The process is straightforward, requiring no special tools or technical expertise. Homeowners and business owners can easily retrofit their existing outlets and switches with this protective device, enhancing safety without the need for extensive renovations or electrical work. The simplicity of the installation process ensures that users can take proactive measures towards safety without significant disruptions to their daily routines. Durability is a key consideration in the design of the socket switch protector. Crafted from robust materials, the protector is built to withstand daily wear and tear. Its resistance to impact ensures a long lifespan, maintaining consistent protection over time. For added user convenience, some models of the socket switch protector may include visual indicators, such as LED lights. These indicators serve to communicate the status of the protector, alerting users to potential issues or abnormalities. This visual feedback enhances user awareness, allowing for timely intervention or maintenance to ensure the continued effectiveness of the protective device. The socket switch protector's compatibility with standard electrical outlets and switches is a key feature that contributes to its versatility. Whether in a residential setting or a commercial environment, this gadget can be seamlessly integrated into existing electrical infrastructures. This adaptability makes it a viable solution for a wide range of applications, from homes and apartments to offices and commercial establishments. Beyond its technical specifications, the socket switch protector embodies a proactive approach to electrical safety. By investing in this gadget, homeowners and business owners alike are taking a deliberate step towards creating a safer and more secure environment. The comprehensive nature of its features, from childproofing to fire prevention and durability, makes it a holistic solution that addresses various aspects of electrical safety. In residential settings, the socket switch protector plays a crucial role in creating a child-friendly environment. The childproof design ensures that curious little hands are kept away from the potential dangers of electrical outlets and switches. Parents can navigate their homes with greater confidence, knowing that this protective device is in place to mitigate the risks associated with electrical accidents. The visual indicators, if included in the model, offer an additional layer of assurance, allowing parents to easily verify the status of the protector at a glance. In shared living spaces or rental properties, where multiple individuals may have access to electrical outlets and switches, the tamper-proof nature of the socket switch protector becomes particularly valuable. Unauthorized access or meddling is minimized, ensuring the continued functionality and safety of the electrical infrastructure. This aspect of the protector contributes to a sense of security among residents, fostering a harmonious living environment.